So tearing out this bathroom, taking the walls down, ceiling tear out. Had to pop down all the popped out all the drywall out of the ceiling, which insulation fell, so it looks like a big snowy living room of insulation. Turn the power off and the water off, just demoing the bathroom. So the wiring is almost complete. We had to put a big LVL 17-footer beam in to open up the space. This is where the old bathroom was. We had to put the correct header over the door to fix that. So because the wiring's in, putting insulation, and we had to correct the problem of why this house molded out. Somebody had boarded up all these, so we put correct ventilation. So that's ready to be drywalled, which I think we'll be getting to later today. But this is what it looks like. There was a lot of oh yeah, and we sprayed the walls, all the walls, with a bleach water mixture with the smell. Any mold left over. So this is what we have so far. I've never drywalled a ceiling before, and that's a lot of work. We have most of the drywall up. Sure is making this house seem a lot bigger. That's the drywall lift. So I'm hoping by later today to have the drywalling all in. This is what the house looks like now. The drywall's up. Have some of it taped and mudded. Working on fixing up the floor and patching holes. this is the house with one coat of drywall primer, texturized it, applied floor patch,